Hi, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Red Locks. Hi, welcome to Red Locks. My voice is like this because this is the second time I'm shooting this video. Guess what? My mic was off. So my camera didn't pick any sound because I already insert my mic. Like, how did I do that? I didn't know. Oh, God. I didn't no script now. I was so happy doing my thing, and the next thing, there was no sound. Look at the video. Anyway, let me move on. Like I told you guys, you're gonna be seeing more of me, more of vlog, more of everything that concerns me, unlike every other year. Yeah, it's not my fault. Even this one I'm doing, I don't know. I'm not too sure, but you will manage. Manage me. Anyway, I just came back from the office, and then you see the video of Randy and that other guy. Like, today was different. Randy has always come to the studio like every other day, but today on was different because he was paired with a young guy like him, an opposition. They don't have different view about this government. So the other guy is supporting the current government, while Peter is being an activist that he is. And the studio was so hot. I enjoyed every bit of it. I wish they had longer time. I'm back home now, and I just want to show you guys the little things I got from different brands. And I'm so pissed because I've actually unboxed this stuff. I started with what? I didn't even know, I can't even remember. But guess the first thing I want to show you is this yucca. This is sweet. I know we love aesthetics, we love it classy, we love it when it's very, very expensive. But me, I love quality. I go for quality. I don't care if your brand is still small or is still growing. So long as you give me what I want, I'm good to go. So this is one of my go-to cotton pad, and I went to the market, so I decided to restock. So this is one of the things I got, and then my Super Lock Fix and Spray. I also restock, and this particular one, see, it's a matte and fix from Bicham Ageless. The thing that made me bought this is the name Bicham Ageless. Bicham Ageless have my heart. Like, they don't use juju for me. I love quality. I love it when people pay attention to details, and it doesn't matter how much it's sold for. Just give me quality. So Bicham Ageless have not disappointed us for a while, at least since I'm introduced to the brand. So when I got to the market and I saw this, I quickly picked one. It's quite pricey, but I love. So, and another thing I got is this hydraulic acid micellar cleansing water from Blossom. If you are paying attention, I've always used CPD. So I'm transitioning to other brands too. So this one is Blossom. Blossom is one brand that I'm not really for all their products, but there are some other products that I love so much, like their fix and spray, their moisturizing primer, and then their lip gloss, and then I think people have been saying a lot of good review about their new moisturizer, and I've not been able to get because I still have Debbie Luster. I don't like keeping product like that. I mean, they all do the same thing at some time, so there's no point. So I got this for myself, and then this one. Guys, I'm so angry because you need to see the excitement on my face when I opened this for the first time. This V Beauty, 8th anniversary box is something I ordered because of one thing. Guess what? Guess which of the item inside I ordered from? I ordered because of. Let's open it. I'm going to open it again. I've thrown the nylon. This is mirror. I told you guys I've opened it before. This is mirror. And like I said, oh God, my mic was off. Like I said, I love this mirror. Like it's giving girly kind of vibe. It's giving makeup artist vibe. I love this sculpted lip of this mirror. This is giving. This is the best of the best I've seen so far. Please, V Beauty, keep surprising us. I love. And then I have this here, which is not my shade, by the way. I don't know. I don't know if there's a way they can, indicate shade or just give us hint on what's inside. I tested it before in my hand and it's so soft. This thing is soft. It's not just soft. It's giving like Maybelline softness. Maybelline Fit Me vibe. Like that is the kind of vibe I got from this, and I so much love it. It's not my shade, but I walk around it. I have so many V Beauty. In fact, I even have in my second skin here, which I can mix together. And then I already figured it out, so don't bother. And then I have this palette. This is the best of the best of the best. The shades here are so real. I don't think I'll be having some shades left by the time I'm done using this palette, because these are mostly the kind of shades I want when I'm making people up, when I'm out doing my job, what I know how to do best as a makeup artist. So these shades are not surviving me. They are gone already. Another thing I have here is this beautiful hairbrush. So nice. It gives this retain. It gives you a smooth finishing when you brush your hair. Like it does not pull out hair. This is one of the reasons I go for this hairbrush, and a lot of people also love it too. And another thing is this. Of course, this is not something that is for me. It's for the studio, but I loaded a lot because I don't know when next we're going back there. And again, if you're a makeup artist on budget, or you're just a makeup lover that love this kind of stuff, Mega Impact Kiss Beauty mascara is something to go for. It's nice, it's quite affordable, it's nice, it's waterproof, it lasts long, so I recommend it too. And I still have more V Beauty foundation, So MAC, V Beauty, and some concealers too. All these things are for studio, by the way, not a personal use. And then another thing I'm about to unbox is this. It's a clothes rack. I've ordered this from Lagos, a double stand clothes rack. I saw this vendor on Instagram and I love it. I love how she displays it, and I could afford it, so I did. I don't know if I'm going to unbox this right now, but I'll try. I don't know if I can unbox it, but I'll try. If not, maybe much later. So, guys, I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always liking, and I'm sure you must have liked this video now. And then you can also share to your friends, share on your status. Share to everyone that needs to see this. Thank you for being in my life, because if you are seeing me, that means you are in my life already. You don't need to live with me to be in my life, right? So, thank you.